This module gives tuition on accessing resources within the app. To view the resources screen, tap the icon of the open book. If the icon has a red plus sign, it means that new resources are available. You will see the screen change color. Also, a red spinning circle will appear for approximately 3 to 5 seconds to notify you that the screen is loading. Do not press anything during this process. The resources screen is divided into 4 sections: search filters, recently viewed resources, file types, and categories. Use the top Search Filters menu to search resources within the app. Tap the text box and tap the name of the resource you want to view. As you type, suggestions will appear. Tap the magnifying glass search button to start a search. Alternatively, tap on a suggestion. Tapping the down arrow at the top right of the screen opens the Search Options menu. You can change how the resource list screen orders results by selecting an option here. To review all the resources available, reset the search to remove the filters, then tap the search button to see the full resource list. Every resource is categorized, which means you can easily view groups of related ebooks or video files. All of the categories are listed at the bottom of the screen. Tap on an icon to view the resources tied to that category. Alternatively, you can use search filters. Search filters are located at the top of the screen and let you narrow down your search results. You can swipe across this menu to view all available filters. Tap the All Categories control. The filter panel will appear at the bottom. Tap on a category to select it. Selected options will appear with a check or a tick symbol beside them. When you're ready, tap the Done button to select the filter. Once you tap the Search button, any selected filters will be added to the search. To remove a search option, tap the control again, then tap Reset on the panel when done. Tap the Search button to perform a new search. Search options let you filter results for categories, publishers, and authors. Tap on a control, choose an option at the bottom, then tap Done. Remember to tap the Search button at the top to begin the search. The app automatically lists resources in any language. By tapping this control, you can filter resources only to match the languages selected in the settings screen. This will be covered in a later module. Not all resources are automatically downloaded or saved to your device. You can filter downloaded options by tapping the Only Downloaded and tagged for downloaded controls. Recently downloaded resources offers a quick way to start reading, listening, and watching again. The upper half of the main resources screen shows the last 10 resources you have opened. Simply tap on a resource, then tap the image in the results to open it. Please note that for first-time users, this section will be hidden until the resource is opened. Resources are available in 4 distinct types: ebooks, files, audio, and video. E-books are digital versions of a normal book. You can read the text, turn pages, bookmark favorite places, and even search the content. A later module will explore the e-book reader in more depth. Tap on the e-book icon to view all e-books available. Files or PDF documents act like e-books. However, they also can include pictures and retain the full format of the original publication. Files will also be covered in a later module. Audio files let you listen to recordings like sermons or praise worship. The app has a built-in media player so you can play, pause and skip tracks. Video files offer a visual way to learn. Both audio and video require internet access unless the files are set to store in your device. They are marked by a red cloud, which will be discussed shortly. When you begin a search, the app will load the search results screen. An animated loading icon will appear to inform you that a search is taking place. Do not interact with the app until this icon disappears. The search results screen lists all matching resources. Each result shows the resource image, title, author, categories, and save status. You can see all the results by swiping up and down. There is a maximum of 10 results on a page. The page navigation will appear at the bottom if more results are available. Tap on a page number or next to view them. You will notice 5 tabs at the top of the screen. These let you view search result file types like ebooks or audio files. Tap on an icon to filter them, or tap the first icon to view all the results again. To read more information about a resource, tap the 3 vertical circles to the right of the result. The Resource Details panel highlights all the resources information. It shows the file type icon and resource title at the top, the resource image and description, matching categories, the publisher and author, the reference and language and search tags, and when the resource was added to the app. To close the panel and return to the results, tap the X button at the top right. Every resource has a status cloud color, either green, orange, yellow, or red. A green cloud means the resource is fully available on your device. Simply tap the button to open the resource. An orange cloud means you need to mark the resource for download or to be saved to your device. Resources are downloaded when they are marked and you sync. Syncing is covered in a later tutorial. A yellow cloud shows all the resources you have marked to download when you next sync. If you change your mind, tap the Unmark for Download button to make it orange. Some resources, like video files, are too large to be stored on your device. They require an internet connection to view. A red cloud highlights the resources that require internet access. You can open a resource from the Resources screen by tapping the image. Please note that if the resource is either orange or yellow, you will not be able to open the resource unless it is downloaded or saved to your device. When you open a resource, 2 things will happen. As all resources are encrypted for security purposes, the app needs to decrypt it first. This process may take longer for large resources. Once decrypted, the app loads the resource. This should take several seconds or longer depending on the size. When the resource is fully loaded, it becomes available to read, listen, or view. These features will be covered in a later tutorial. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.